organize my life. So, hindi ako fully confident. Share ko na sa inyo. Madami ko dahil sa Happy Vlogmas everyone! Good morning! So, today is December 10. It's currently 8:41 a.m. And medyo kakagising ko lang kasi super pagod ako since yesterday. Wait lang guys, wala akong boses kasi so meron akong water dito. Link below for my TYESO Tumbler. Anyway, I'm okay naman and I had a good night's sleep. So, we good. We're back to work. We're back to business. So today the plan is gagawa lang ako ng parang reset day. I need to catch up on some stuff like my emails. Kailangan ko rin linisin yung room. I need to fix my calendar. So ayun. Those are the things that I do every once in a while kapag kailangan ko talaga mag-reset and just organize my life. So ayun, samahan niyo ako today. Guys, sorry sa boses ko. Disclaimer na. Feeling ko magiging malat ako the whole vlog. Please bear with me guys. Okay, so part of my reset day, we're gonna unbox some PR that I got from brands. So, meron pa iba dito, pero hindi ko sila nabuksan. This is from Lula Club. So, I think this is their tote bag. Ooh! The messages here, thank you card. So, this is the tote bag. I believe yung tawag dito is bone. Yung color nito is bone. Oh, meron din palang. Oh, they have a new notebook. This is so cute. I got the pink one. So, thank you so much, Lula Club. Next one, I got this huge makeup kit from Bobby Cosmetics. Para siyang isang kit or isang drawer set. Inside, there are press-on nails. Meron din mga nail polish. Oh my gosh, one drawer full of lippies here. Perfect to sa akin, guys. Lagi ko kasi nawawala yung mga brushes ko. Buti nilang nagpadala sila. Thank you so much, Bobby Cosmetics. And then this one is from Bash, yung brand ni Miss Bea Alonzo. I attended the event last month. Before pa kami mag-Malaysia nun. Tapos yun, nagamit ko to kasi pang travel talaga siya. Ayan, so ito yung mga laman nun guys, for travel talaga. The whole trip, ito yung ginamit ko for my skincare, for my makeup. Ayan, may mga laman pa siya. And super helpful niya pala, as in. Kasi hindi talaga ako ma-travel organizer. Like, pag may mga pouch lang, doon ko na nilalagay. Pero, super helpful na to guys. So, I believe available sila sa Lazada. So, ayun, i-link ko na lang sa baba. Guys, lumabas na daw yung grades namin. Oh my gosh. Nakuha na ng mga friends ko yung kanila, pero yung sa akin wala pa. Sabi na nasa email daw. Pero kasi hindi gumagana yung Animosys ko or yung portal ko. Like, kailangan namin magpalit ng password or something. And hindi ko pa yung nagagawa. So, let's see if macha-check ko yung grade ko. Nasa email daw. But wala yun sa akin. Okay, let's be chill. Saan na yun? Wala talaga siya sa emails. What is happening? like, yung mga email nandito from Lasal, annual Thanksgiving gathering. Wala talaga siya sa email ko, guys. Or maybe kasi Torres ako, so dulo pa siya ng, like, dulo pa isa-send. I don't know. Wala talaga. Ayun na. Wait. Ah! I'm so happy! Nakaabot pa, guys! Yay! First TL again. Grabe guys, hindi ko na-expect na ngayon na i-release yung grades namin. I was actually doing my lashes and naglagay ako nito. This one is from Lazada. Ayan. Ito yung latest obsession ko, guys. 200 pesos lang to, I think. Ayan. Tapos, ang dami na niya. Naglalagay ako nito. Tapos, yun nga, nagchat-chat na sila sa GC na nakuha na daw nila yung grades nila. Tapos, sabi ko, ba't wala naman nag-i-email sa akin? Ganon. Tapos, kailan siya nag-email? I'm so happy. Hindi ko lang in-expect na makakaabot pa ako sa first TL. Kasi nga, last term kasi, hindi ko fully nabigay yung best ko. Yeah, I would say na parang mga 80 to 90% lang yung nabibigay kong effort. Lalo na nung finals week namin. If napansin nyo, wala akong vlog nung first week of December. Kasi yun yung finals week namin. The week before that, yun yung flight ko sa Malaysia with HP. Sobrang nahirapan ako when it comes to time management. So, last minute ako nakapag-aral sa finals namin for accounting. As in, parang one day lang ako nag-aral and finals yun. So, kailangan ko talaga ulitin lahat ng topics naman. Pero yun nga, one day lang ako nakapag-aral. Actually, hindi pala one day kasi like, hapon lang ako nag-start. So, mga 8 hours. And then, nung exam day, naalala ko, sobrang stressed kami ni Tony. I think that was the first time na nag-exam ako na hindi ako fully prepared. As in, may mga topics ako na hindi na-cover sa reviewer ko. Like, hindi nga tapos yung reviewer ko, guys. Anyway, ayun. So, hindi ako fully confident sa performance ko last term. But, God didn't fail me. Thank you, Lord. So, I'm so happy lang. And I'm happy na na-record ko tong moment na to. Kasi for sure, babalikan ko tong experience na to. I know I could do better next time. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy the moment and reward myself after this. Yeah. Kakatapos lang ng quick meeting namin about sa non-static, which is my own brand. I'm not sure if na-announce ko na ba yun. Oh my gosh, I think this is the first time. Yeah! Guys, basically, ayun, I will be launching my own brand this month. I'm so excited. Super tagal ko tong pinlan, so I'm so happy na masishare ko na sa inyo. Pero not in this video pa kasi, yun nga, we're still in the process. Pero super lapit na, as in, just stay tuned, guys. I'm so excited. Anyway, since I'm done with my meeting, I still have a few hours before my dinner. So, ayan, ito. Ito na yung last class ko actually. Yeah, 7 minutes and then I'm done with this class. Ito siya, guys. You guys know Skillshare. Lagi ko na itong sinishare sa vlog ko. Feeling ko alam nyo na yung Skillshare. Pero if you're a new viewer, basically Skillshare is an online learning platform. I have taken classes about language, personal development, and now since nga meron akong bagong business, I'm launching my own brand. So nag-explore na rin ako sa mga classes about digital marketing, entrepreneurship, building a website, ayun. Ang dami ko talagang pinanood and tinapos na class kasi you learn a lot from Skillshare. And yung mga courses na available sa Skillshare, they are taught by industry professionals and experts. So you really know na you learn something valuable and insightful there. And what's great about Skillshare is that they are known for their project-based learning. So it's not like you're just gonna watch a 30-minute video lesson. With Skillshare, they have kasi mga interactive lessons. So you will really get to apply what you've learned in a practical way. So if curious kayo, ito yung mga classes na natapos ko. First is grow your online business with marketing fundamentals. This is actually a curated class, so Skillshare na mismo yung nag-arrange ng mga lessons na perfect if you're like focusing on, let's say for this one, growing your online business. And doon ko na rin pala yung build your dream business. Super nice kasi marketing consultant yung nagtuturo dito. 27-minute class lang siya, pero divided siya into parts. So may mga 3 minutes lang, 2 minutes lang. So ayun, those two really helped me and guided me throughout my journey of launching my own brand. First 500 people to click the link below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Alam ko super helpful nun kasi ang dami nagdi-DM sa akin and nagko-comment din sa videos ko na parang super useful nung link kasi basically free education na siya. So ayun, don't miss this opportunity guys. Especially if you want to start something new this 2024. So ayan, Skillshare is there to guide you guys. Today is a very special day kasi I'm gonna be celebrating my 20th birthday. Yeah, di na ako teen guys. So, nawala na yung 1 sa age ko. I decided to host a party for my birthday this year. And this was actually kind of a rush din. Kasi hindi ko siya celebrate mismo sa birthday ko. So, ayun, yung mga planning and all, nagawa siya after my birthday. Pero okay lang kasi parang minake sure ko na din na tapos na yung finals ko. Wala na din halos pasok yung mga friends ko, gano'n. So, ayun, mas okay na talaga i-celebrate siya the week after my birthday, which is today. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my makeup artist and also my hairstylist. The party starts at 8 p.m. Kinakabahan ako actually, pero I'm just gonna enjoy the night. I'm probably gonna make a montage na lang ng birthday ko kasi for sure I'm gonna be busy the whole night. Pero yeah, I'm so excited and I can't wait na mag-party later. Let's go!
I was incredible, so were the decibels. Couldn't hear my thoughts. Something like a chemical, something medical. I looked at her, I was lost. In her eyes, in the music, in the way she moved, she had me hooked on the sound, the alarms. Looked at her, I could tell she was looking too. I looked away and felt her grabbing my arm. She said, I wanna move to the left. I was by her side, I wanna move to the right. Took me for a ride, she pulled me down to the front. Took me by surprise, she had her head rocking, hips popping. Baby, don't you stop, she said, dance, come on. Let your body move, you can do it wrong. She said, dance, come on. Let your body move, feel it all night long. You gotta let loose, no excuse. Couldn't fight, no use. Had my body lost in the song.